Tonight, tributes to former Supreme Court Justice Sandra Day O'Connor keep coming in. She died today at age 93. She was a trailblazer, paving the way for other women in American justice.
Hamilton County Prosecutor Melissa Powers is one of those women. She sat down with WCPO 9 news reporter Valerie Lyons on the late justice's impact and legacy.
I always enjoyed her because she was a bit of a maverick.
Not everyone gets to meet their heroes, but Melissa Powers was one of the lucky few.
It was like I was in the presence of greatness.
It was 2009, 3 years after retiring from the Supreme Court. Sandra Day O'Connor was a visiting judge on Cincinnati's 6th Circuit Court of Appeals, and Powers was still a Hamilton County Municipal Court judge.
She's somebody that is inspirational in a lot of ways, very intelligent. She was very warm and kind.
But that wasn't O'Connor's only stop in the Queen City. Decades earlier, in 1983, she spoke to University of Cincinnati law graduates.
Now recognized as the 4th oldest law school in the country.
While she wasn't there for that speech, Powers went on to graduate from UC's College of Law in 1991, looking up to O'Connor along the way.
She would be very practical and would talk. There are no shortcuts to doing a good job. It's just a lot of hard work, and I've lived by that throughout my life and entire career.
And the two share more in common than just accomplished legal careers. They're both the firsts. In 1981, Sandra Day O'Connor became the first woman on the Supreme Court. And just this year, Melissa Powers stepped into the role as Hamilton County's first female prosecutor.
At times, and has been a man's world in the legal profession. I know when I started in the prosecutor's office, I was one of 5 women that tried cases.
Powers says when O'Connor took her seat on the nation's high court, she shattered the glass ceiling.
We've come a long way since then,
paving the way for women like her and others yet to come. In Cincinnati, Valerie Lyons, WCPO 9 News.